my channel, you guys. Today was an awesome day. It is only 10:34 in the morning and I am already excited. So my library had a summer book sale starting today. They have about 4 sales a year and I have gone to every single one, and it just keeps getting better and better and better because number one, I have been like opening up to different authors. I've been opening up to different books that I normally don't read, and I absolutely love that. So I just counted, I got 14 books for the library book sale. So let me just share with you guys what I got. So my library has hardcovers for $1, and then they have soft or paperbacks for 50 cents. They have kid books. You can fill a bag for $2. I didn't get any kid books. I got all adult books today. So yes, another thing is I am getting a little free library. I've been saying this for the longest time, but I am determined to get one. My library this summer is actually having one with their summer reading program, and they know I really, really want it. So they're like, hey, you just have to save for this much and it's yours. They're not even going to put it out for other people because they tried selling it or doing it for the winter program. I didn't know about that and nobody took it, so I'm determined to get it for the summer program. So let me share with you guys what I got. So some of this stuff is for me, and some of this stuff is for the little free library that I plan on putting up in hopefully about a month or two. And yes, I will share with you guys when and if I get that. Okay, so the first book I got is Mistakes We Never Made by Hannah Brown. Hannah Brown is actually one of the Bachelorettes. I love her. I love the show. I like her. I'm like, you know what? We're going to give her a little, you know, try to see how good her book is. So paid $1 for this. So we got that book for $1. I also got this, The Guncle Abroad, and I heard this is an MM book. I don't know. I've been wanting to read this and it looks interesting. So I'm like, for $1, let's try it out. If not, I can put it in my little free library. I ended up getting Expiration Dates. I've heard nothing but good things from this author, and I have yet to read her, but I have a couple of her books and I'm pretty excited to try this one out. I'm trying to debate if I got this one already or not. I swear I can't remember, but if not, I'll put it in my little free library. I ended up getting some of the Bridgerton books. Number one, I love them. I'm on book number 5 or 6. 5th or 6th one that I still have to read. I'm gonna read all of them. I'm just kind of waiting until my summer reading program starts before I start digging in those, because I want to try to read more books that the library actually has than like what I read on Kindle Unlimited, just because, you know, it just works better. So I ended up getting this one. This one's the number 2. This is the Viscount Who Loved Me, Anthony's story. I actually have this book, but I'm gonna compare this book to the other book and see what one is in the better condition to keep, and then I'm gonna put this book in the little free library that I have, because I thought if I love it, hopefully somebody else loves it. I have more of those books, but they're just not up on top. I ended up getting Verity. I have been wanting to get Verity for a while. This book, if you guys want a book that's going to live rent-free in your head, this is the way to go. So I had to get it. For 50 cents, I had to get it. So I might keep it. I might put it in the little free library. I don't know. But funny thing is, I found they had like 6 or 7 Colleen Hoover books. I think I got 1 or 2 of them, or 2 or 3 of them. And then somebody took all of them. So I'm like, okay, I'm glad I got them when I did. So got that for 50 cents. My sister-in-law told me, have I read this author, Ruth Ware? And I have not, but I said I'd give it a try. So I texted her, I says, have you read this book? She said yes. So I'm like, for 50 cents, we will get it. This is The Lion Game. So she's actually going to meet her at a book signing in a couple weeks. I'm like, you know what, we'll try it. We ended up getting the 3rd book of Bridgerton, which this is actually the book that's going to be coming out next season for the Bridgerton series on Netflix. I've read this book. I love it. The thing is, I want to get all the physical books, and this was one I could not find from thrifting. So I'm like, okay, I already read the book, but I have to have the physical book. So, but for 50 cents, you can't go wrong. So Benedict's Story is the new series that's coming out on Netflix in 2026. So if you guys haven't read it, get it. But for 50 cents, you can't go wrong. I ended up getting the first Bridgerton book because I wanted to add that to my little free library. Again, I have this book, but I couldn't pass up for a 50-cent book for the little free library because I'm hoping people love it. I love this series. I really, really, really loved it. I ended up getting a gift from Tiffany's. This book, I think is, I don't know if this is the one. I thought this might be the one that is from Amazon Prime. There's a movie that's something Tiffany's. I don't know if this is it. It sounds like it is. So I had to get it. I'm going to try to read it. If I don't read it, I'm definitely going to put it in the little free library. But that looks like a nice little Christmas book movie. I've been reading one Christmas book a month, and then for Christmas I read only Christmas books. So yes, I ended up getting a Jojo Moyes. This is After You. I've read Me Before You. I loved the book. I think I have I don't know if I have this one or the second one. I can't remember the second or third one, but I'm like, you know what, we're gonna get it. If not, I'm gonna put it in a little free library. You can't go wrong for 50-cent books. I ended up getting this Colleen Hoover book. This has kind of seen its days, but you know what? I'm fine with it because I actually really loved this story, and this is one that I don't have. This is Heart Bones. So I read this book so fast when I read it, and I'm like, you know what? For 50 cents, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. And then another book that I probably will not read, but we'll see. I have to read the first one, the one called Ovo or whatever. But this one I got for the little free library. I'm gonna see if my neighbor wants to read it first, and then I will put it in the little free library. But this is Us Against You. So those are the ones that I got. Now these are the ones I'm super excited for. So the first book I saw besides the Bridgerton one was Credence. You guys have no idea, but I am obsessed. I am obsessed with Credence. You guys, I even have a tattoo of the barcode. 98. Okay, this is a different barcode number. This is a different one. But this I am so excited for. I found this when I was thrifting one day, and I absolutely like snatched it up. So I'm going to see what one is a better copy. And then I might put this in the little free library. I don't know. I might keep both copies because like Penelope Douglas is by far my favorite of the three authors, and I will try to get every book I can. But you guys, I can't believe I found this at my library. I can't believe I found it at my library. So then I walked away, and then I went back and like looked. I go back. I spent an hour there because I don't know. You never know what you're gonna find. And like right away, people are just like digging. I mean, some people get some good stuff. Last time when they had this, I saw somebody grab something. I'm like, man, I wish I grabbed that, and I didn't see it until. So today I was more on the hunt. But I walk away and I come back, and I find Promises and Pomegranates. I am so excited for this book. This book has been on my TBR for a while, and I'm like, I'm going to start reading it. I was debating on buying this book. I think it is on Kindle Unlimited, but I'm like, oh my god, you guys, for 50 cents, and it's got my soft cover, but I could not. I'm like, oh my god, I found it for 50 cents. So yes, I am pretty excited. I found two books that I can't believe I found it at my library. I'm looking at my Credence book right now. I'm like, I cannot believe I found it. So I ended up getting 14 books for $8.50. You guys cannot go wrong with that. I ended up also, when I had a garage sale a couple weeks ago, I had all these kid books that I wanted to get rid of. I just donated them all to my library because number one, they use them for, you know, to buy new stuff, and I use their library like crazy, and I'd rather give them to somebody who can afford that stuff, because I feel like Goodwill, they want like $3 or $4 for a used book, which some of those books you can get, you know, free or cheap or whatever. And then we have a St. Vincent's, which again, they always want like 99 cents to $1, but I'm totally cool with donating all my books to the library. So any books that you guys want to get rid of, see if your library will take them, because it's just, I feel better. I feel happier donating it. But yes, I cannot believe all the books that I got at my library reading program. I am so excited. So it's more books to add to my TBR, even though I've read half of them, but I'm still excited. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.